Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
In this video, we will be removing and reinstalling the wiper arms on a 2008 Subaru Outback. If you need parts for your vehicle, click the link in the description and head over to 1aauto.com. So before we take the wiper arms off, we're going to want to mark where the old blades are. So you can use a dry eraser marker, or like a piece of chalk or a crayon would work. Just something that you can mark and then wipe off. Do the same with this one. Just put a little mark there. So when you put it back, you know that's where the blades should be on the windshield. I'm going to pull this cover off right here. I'm going to use a 90 pick and pry up underneath. And it'll release. Do the same for this one. You could use a flat blade screwdriver as well. Pull those covers off. I'm going to take this nut off. We're going to use a 14mm socket, an extension, and a ratchet. Break it free, and then you can use just the socket and the extension. Pull that nut out. To pull this arm up, I'm just going to wiggle it back and forth, push down and pull up, and the whole arm should come out. Now I'm going to take this one off, the same 14mm socket, extension and a ratchet. Break it free and then twist it off. Pull the arm up and do the same. Grab it, push and pull. And there's the wiper arm. Next, we're going to install our wiper arm. Put that on. We're going to line it up with our marks that we made earlier. Right there. Install our nut for the wiper arm. Use our 14mm socket and extension. Tighten this down. We're going to torque these to 14 foot-pounds. We'll take this one and install this one over here. Make sure that lines up with our marks over there. Snug this down with the ratchet, and then we'll torque it. 14 foot-pounds. I'm going to hold the arm while I'm torquing it. Put the covers back on. I'm going to slide this down into the groove. Press it down. Same with this one. Slide it in. Push it down. Then we'll close the hood. Now I'll turn the key on and test them. We want to make sure that it's not coming off the edge of the windshield and that they're not hitting each other. And we'll test them on high. Works on high. And it goes back to park.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1aauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.